Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another knot here, another original knot. This is the Jigsaw Puzzle knot. So let's go ahead and get going. This is my left side. It's going to be at my belt line. I'm going to come over here. We're going to put that dimple in there right here. And I'm going to come up and over. I'm going to come down and around like that. I'm going to fold it and then come around. I'm going to come over here like this. Keep it folded. Come down. I'm going to leave it folded in the back here like this. Then I'm going to come back here, fold it, and then as it's folded, come through this one right here, folded. Then I'm going to leave that the way it is. I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to come down and around with it like this. Then I'm going to come through this loop right here, make it a loop right there, leave it folded, and then come through it like this. Then I'm going to have it folded here. Then I'm going to come through this right here. Then tuck it down like this. Now I'm going to put my collar down. I'm going to make some adjustments here. So again, as I'm doing this, again, remember to follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials for all the pictures of the knots. There we go. I'll make it look like a puzzle piece here. And there you have it. So again, remember, own your style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.